Out of these 760, 135 positive results have been gotten so far. That means we have 92 active cases, out of which we have also discharged 43 people from our list. Currently, we registered, sadly, yesterday, one death case in our state of a lady who successfully delivered of a set of twins just a few days back. We also have a positive case from our state assembly, which made it necessary for us to immediately test or actually collect samples for testing from all the House members and their aides. And based on the outcome that we will get, we'll now be able to know whether we'll do contact tracing of those who may be positive. The House of Assembly